What's good, y'all? It's the new year. I'm at my mama's house right now. I'm about to help her cook meatloaf. And yeah, I just came here because it's Friday and I wanted to get out the house. So yeah, I'm here at mom's house about to help her cook this meatloaf. So let's get it. Y'all, like, I haven't vlogged since Christmas. I haven't picked up the camera and did a video since Christmas. Like, the shit's sad, y'all. The shit's sad. But we gonna get back on it though. For the new year, like, what's good though? Oh. It's okay. I know.
You recognize this man.
Do you recognize that man? Hey. Y'all, so she making meatloaf. Let me show y'all. Oh, it look good though. Was that one whole thing?
No, I didn't do the whole thing, but I'm thinking.
Oh, y'all, look at her little. What is it? Her prayer on the wall that I got her for Christmas. I got her that for Christmas, y'all. And then this is what I got her for Christmas too, y'all. She trying to decorate her house. Like, really? Like, y'all. What happened to the rest of the stuff that was on here?
I took it off. Look.
Oh, okay. So is up here. That's cute though.
He said that I should do brown gravy. He said you do brown gravy.
Some people do brown gravy with meatloaf. But ketchup is good too. You can either do ketchup or brown gravy. So, show y'all what I got on today. I'm wearing this jacket. It's a, girl, your mirror dirty. It's a green jacket. And then it's an olive colored shirt. And some jeans and booties. I just got on, just threw something on this morning. We working hard, huh? You working hard for the money, honey bunny.
You know what? I don't know where my thing is. They go over here.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna do the drink.
Coaches for quarterbacks and tight ends aren't returning. Those for the running backs and offensive line may also be. Still a lot of.
Is that a green shirt you have on too?
Yeah, it's olive. They got chocolate cake, Danish, apple pie, and then I took the honey bun. Oh,
I went back to thing.
she got some apple pie. But this is before. Let me.
She vlogging it. She gonna stop.
So yeah, we're gonna see how this meatloaf look after. Okay. I'll be back because I ain't doing it. I'm chilling on Snapchat. Y'all follow my Snapchat, Taharaslounge. Follow the Snapchat so y'all can keep up with me because I be on there more than here. So keep up with me though. We'll be back once the meatloaf is finished, you guys. You're gonna be like I'm done, but I wasn't even recording. And she has some mashed potatoes.
Okay, I know you got mad after the impromptu photo shoot.
That looks good.
Hey, I thought some.
That's how the meatloaf looks. It look good though. I want a piece. I want me some.
You might need to taste it before we bring it over there, Tom.
I think so. At least taste it. But okay, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that meatloaf.
And about another bag of potatoes.
So y'all, I just got a calendar, this flat sheets, and then I got that's it. So these are the only two things I'm getting. I'm finna wait for my mom to come up in here and then like just go looking around again because there's nothing really to do. I'm waiting for her to get in here. I like all these mirrors though. This one. That's pretty. Yep. This what kind of mirror I need. Girl, you all in the mirror. You all in the lead. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Man, look, you dropped my phone. Oh, well, I dropped my phone, but okay, y'all. I will see y'all in a later vlog. But until next time, thanks for hanging out with Tahara and Taharaslounge. Well, we wasn't even in the lounge state, but thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video, all that good stuff, and leave some feedback down below. Let's chat. Bye, y'all.